Hello, hope you're doing well. Let's discuss trading robots and tutorials for beginners entering the trading world. Getting started is super simple. It's so easy that 2 out of every 10 people are involved in the financial market. You use engaging websites and tools with user-friendly interfaces on your phone, laptop, or computer. Getting started is simple. Use engaging tools on your devices. We'll explore in short videos so you can get updated on the financial market. To use trading robots, you need TradingView. You'll use engaging websites and tools with easy interfaces on any device. It's genuinely simple. We'll quickly explore in 4 or 5 videos, each 5 or 6 minutes long. For beginners, update on the financial market and know the prerequisites. To start trading with robots, first use the TradingView website. If you're unfamiliar with TradingView, I can show you. It's a site featured in my videos for charts and prices, with a mobile app like Google. It's crucial for crypto and forex, specializing in crypto. For beginners, stay updated on the financial market. To start trading with robots, visit TradingView. It's a site I use for charts and prices. It's free, and our robot will show buy and sell signals. Open your browser. TradingView is a site I use for charts and prices. It has a mobile app and is significant online like Google. It's specialized for crypto. I've made other videos about it, but now, let's create an account. It's free, and once set up, our robot will appear on this page. Let's start our tutorial, creating a TradingView account. Open your browser. On a phone, download the app later. On a laptop, type TradingView. The logo recently changed. Click the first link. It has a lot of cool features. We want to create an account here. It's free to set up, and once we create our account, our robot will show up on this page. Let's move on to the first step of our tutorial, creating a TradingView account. Go to your browser. Type in TradingView. It has a logo that looks like this. Click on the first link and you'll enter this page. In the upper right corner, you'll see Get Started. Click on Get Started. TradingView offers free and paid versions. We'll use the free one. If you're on your phone, you can download the app later, but for those searching on a laptop, just type in TradingView. Even if you misspell it, it's okay. It'll still come up. It has a logo that looks like this. The logo used to look different, but they recently updated it. Click on the first link. Once you enter, you'll see this guy. Their slogan is Look First, then Leap. In the top right, see Get Started. Click Get Started. We'll use free, but paid accepts crypto. No worries, robots work on free like a Benz. Click Sign Up. Enter a page like this. Sign up via Google, Facebook, or OneClick. To keep it simple, enter email. I made a new email. Type it and set a password. Choose any password after entering. Our robots work perfectly on the free version. Click Sign Up to enter a page. Sign up through Google, Facebook, or OneClick. Enter your email. Type it in and set a password. Choose any password, and it will remind you. Simplify the process to hide the wall. Sign up with Google, Facebook, or OneClick. Proceed with your email. Enter your email for simplicity. I made a new email. Type it and set a password. Pick any password. Ensure it has uppercase, lowercase, and other characters for security. Check Not a Robot. Select Cars and hit Create Account. It's simple. Verify your email. TradingView sent an email. Click the link to create your account. Opt for updates and accept terms. Hit Next to proceed. Congrats! You have a TradingView account and access to the financial market. Let's move forward. Your password must include uppercase and lowercase letters. Security is crucial, so follow the guidelines. Confirm you're not a robot and click Create Account. Verify your email. TradingView sends an email. Click the link to create your account. Click Next to proceed. You now have a TradingView account and access to the financial market. The first feature is the super chart. Click to enter and start using it. Find free TradingView tutorials on YouTube, Opera, Instagram, etc. TradingView sent an email, so I go into my email and click on this link. It creates a new account for me. It asks if I want to receive email updates, and I say yes. It confirms that I've read and accepted the terms, and I say yes. I hit Next, and I enter this page. Congratulations. You now have a TradingView account, and you found your way into the financial market. Now we're going to move forward from here. In this section, we introduce the super chart. Click to enter and start working with it. There are many free TradingView tutorials online. As you progress, you'll learn more, and in future tutorials, we'll cover everything step by step. Let's see how to activate the robot on TradingView. For example, to access Bitcoin on Apple, type BTC/USD and hit enter. You can change settings like background color. Many tutorials are available, including free ones. Be proactive to learn quickly. Now, let's buy a robot from the Trading Robots site. Instead of long tutorials, I'll show you the cheapest options. Current courses cost 3 to 4 million tomans, but you need to invest 100 to 120 hours over 3 to 4 months for a basic understanding. Change the background and color with many tutorials available. Be proactive, and you'll learn quickly. Let's buy a robot. Cheap options are available. Courses cost 3 to 4 million tomans. You need 100 to 120 hours for basic understanding. It's cost-effective and accurate. Instead of watching long tutorials, let me show you the cheapest options available. We've turned different styles into a robot that gives you buy and sell signals. If you want any of the robots, you just go to its product page. Choose from 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, or a year. We've created a robot for buy and sell signals, cost-effective and as accurate as a computer. Visit the product page for robots like the Banking Strategy one, offering subscriptions for 1, 3, or 12 months. Tutorial videos and risk management info are included. Choose from 1, 3, 6, or 12 months. For a month, buy a subscription like a streaming service. A 1-month subscription is 1,500 tomans. 6-month options are cheaper, with discounts for annual plans. Add to your cart. For a 1-month option, you'll need a TradingView ID, explained in the tutorial video. A link to terms and conditions is at the page bottom. You must agree to them. For 3 months, 6 months, and annually, as you can see, the 1-month subscription is 1,500 tomans. The 6-month option is much cheaper than just multiplying the 1-month price by 6. We have special discounts for the annual subscriptions, so you can purchase those as well. After that, you click on Add to Cart. Now, if I select the 1-month option, what do I need? It will ask for a TradingView ID, which is explained in the tutorial video on the site below. I've provided the link to the terms and conditions on this page, because you absolutely need to check the box agreeing to them. Scroll down to the bottom of the page. There's a tutorial on how to buy a robot. Watch this video for the complete guide, and I'll explain it to you now. You click on it, and it will ask for a TradingView ID. Since you've just created your TradingView account, let's see how to get that ID. When you enter TradingView, I need to point out this part, because I flipped my view. You'll see it here. Click on that, and it will show your ID. You can access your profile by clicking on it. Once you're in your profile, hit Leave, and you can copy your ID like this. We enter the Trading Robot site and paste the ID in this section. Do not tick the box before the rules. You will not get this. You will tick the box and confirm that it will be added to your shopping knowledge. If you want, you can also get other robots. That will be displayed on your page. But if not, you just fill in your first name, last name, or email, and put in your phone number. Then we go to finalize the order. If you have a discount code, you can enter it. And then we hit Finalize Order, which will take you to the payment page. That wraps up the tutorial on creating a TradingView account. Definitely, you can either reach out through the site's support, and I'll show you where to find it. It's up there in the purple section, where you can contact support on Telegram, or you can just let us know there. Or drop a comment under this video telling us what tutorials you want us to create, so you can get more familiar with everything. We're preparing some awesome free tutorials for you, so take advantage of them. Much appreciated.